Namaste, Vanakkam. So, though there was no videos, but I hope you have got the levels by yourself. Marking सीखा रहेगा थोड़ा बहुत, right? कहाँ मार्क करना है, कैसे करना है, levels कैसे सर्च करना है. I hope लास्ट 2 months के वीडियोस से तो आपको उतना तो आइडिया आ चुकी रहेगी, right? So today, why after 2 days gap today we have taken up the video is very simple. Nifty, you can see we got a breach on 16th of September, that is yesterday, right? A green dotted line on which was marked on a daily. Can you see it? Right, we got a breach, and after that we came to the level which was the last level wherein we can see a little bit of retracement. Right, today we achieved that level, and from that we were looking out for a retracement, but we were not getting it. Right, premiums नहीं मिल रहे थे क्योंकि almost after 9:45 completely sideways में बैठे हुए थे. Right, so चलो निफ्टी आपको एक अपसाइड का ट्रेंड तो दे दिया, बट नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट वेयर इट कैन रिट्रेच, एंड फ्रॉम दैट रिट्रेचमेंट लेवल वेयर इट कैन स्टार्ट अ बाउंस. राइट, सो लेट अस टेक डाउन द लेवल्स. नाउ दिस इज गोइंग टू बी माय deep resistance. You got it? 3 pixels, 2 pixels. And this is going to be my support for tomorrow. Why support over here? See, 50 EMA hai, you're getting it, and rally base, rally B hai. Got it? So now upside के levels क्या है और downside के levels क्या है. अब now this green dotted line will act as a red dotted line. देखो levels वही है, सिर्फ इतना है कि कलर के combinations change हो रहे हैं. इस वजह से from which level it can bounce and till which level we can look out for a retracement. Support कहाँ पे है, resistance कहाँ पे है, midway कहाँ पे है, that is what we have to look out for. So tomorrow I do not have this blue line, and if I breach this demand zone, which I am not looking out for breaching this demand zone breach होने के chances दिख नहीं रहे हैं because it is a very strong demand zone, but there is a small demand zone on the below also, that is rally base rally, but there is a wick over here. Can you see it? अब बड़ा करता हूँ. There is a wick over here which is almost 50% of this rally. That's the reason ये demand zone बहुत weak है. But if I see the drawing and if I see the line chart, let us have a line chart. If I see the line chart, can you see retracement कहाँ तक है? 50% के यहाँ तक है. So यहाँ पे if I get a retracement, I can come till this 50% and then bounce मिला. Right, the same which मतलब सी LH मतलब लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे जो हुआ है ना, वही ज्यादातर राइट हैंड साइड पे होता है. प्रोबेबिलिटी, दिस इज अ गेम ऑफ अ प्रोबेबिलिटी, राइट. तो अच्छे प्रोबेबिलिटी के ट्रेड्स लेने के, एंड जहाँ पे रिस्क आप मैनेज कर सकते हो वो ट्रेड्स आपको लेने के, अदरवाइज डू नॉट टेक. मतलब यहाँ पे ऑलमोस्ट आई थिंक सो टुडे पी देख रहे थे, बट टच करके रुक जाता है, टच करके रुक जाता है. सो इट इज बेटर टू अवॉइड. राइट, चलो, यू गेट इट. सी, टच करके वापस आता है, बट 5-6 मतलब मैक्स टू मैक्स 12 पॉइंट्स का प्रीमियम मिला है. एंड ऑफ द डे, that is after 2:45, I think so, the premiums were moving little bit of 20-30 points, that too in Sensex, not over here in Nifty. ठीक है. So these are the levels for tomorrow in Nifty. अपसाइड के लेवल्स थोड़े मार्क नहीं किए हैं, रुको रुको, अपसाइड लेवल्स वी हैव टू मार्क इट आउट. फाइन, यहाँ पे कुछ तो है. हाँ, सी वी कैन सी लिटिल बिट ऑफ, यस, ठीक है. गैप फिलअप हो गया है. दिस गैप वाज देयर, वो फिलअप हो गया है आज. So now this goes out, this goes out, and third level will be this demand zone. ठीक है. There is a slight mid level over here, but वो स्टॉपेज है, रुक, इट इज जस्ट क्या बोलते हैं, पॉज है, नॉट स्टॉप. पॉज और स्टॉप में फर्क है. स्टॉप मतलब इट इज कंप्लीटली ओवर और वहां से नेक्स्ट न्यू चीज आएगी. पॉज मतलब आपके कंटिन्यूएशन में वहां पे देयर इज अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ अ पॉज ओवर देयर. सो निफ्टी, these are the levels. Now the levels are clear, right? So 25,336 हम वहाँ पे ही है. थोड़ा this one 25,350 is your resistance and 25,258 is your support. And once the support is breached, then you can look out for down level, that is 25,210, and last will be 25,162. इसके नीचे for tomorrow I am not looking out for, right? But you should be ready. मार्केट है, कोई कुछ मोमेंटम आया या ऐसे कुछ है, एंड दैट इज टैरिफ का भी जो है, दैट इज ऑल्सो समथिंग गोइंग ऑन. तो थोड़ा वहां पे केयरफुल रहना, राइट? सो निफ्टी, इफ आई ब्रीच अप द रेसिस्टेंस 25,345 वाला, तो वी कैन लुक आउट फॉर क्विक 25,380 and 25,418. ठीक है. So this is about Nifty. Bank Nifty, let us mark it out. Bank Nifty अभी सब शिफ्ट हो रहे हैं upside. We have already discussed about the trend in the Bank Nifty, right? Last time we have discussed about it. So today see this level and this, can you see the markings? numbers बाद में देखने का, कैंडलस्टिक्स क्या बोल रहा है, that is important. ठीक है. एंड नाउ अपसाइड के लिए this is one resistance, this is another resistance, and then if I break that I can go till here. But one side up आया है, I am not looking out for a big momentum in upside. Let us see on a daily and weekly. Weekly क्या चार्ट बता रहा है? Oh, weekly 3 green crows is getting formed down, so थोड़ा careful रहना. Still it is a running week. This last candle is a running candle, so complete नहीं हुआ है. Daily, okay, supply zone हमने तोड़ा अच्छा सा, that is a good sign. But if there is any supply zone in this red candle or in between these two red candles, then we have to check it out. 4 hours, yeah, you have got a, so this is the level, right? 2 hours में उसके साथ coincide कर रहा है क्या? हाँ 2 आवर्स में देखो ड्रॉप, और वहाँ पे एक ड्रॉप का रैली शुरू हुआ। ठीक है, चलो। सो इन बैंक निफ्टी आई शुड स्टे अबव 55,272 to stay in a continuation of uptrend, right? And if I break this 50 EMA भी ब्रेक होता है तो केयरफुल रहना, इमीडिएटली ट्रेड नहीं है। 55 154 पे एक ग्रीन कैंडल आया तो यू कैन लुक आउट फॉर अगेन अ bounce area, right? And above, if I break this resistance, that is 55,500, then I can look out for 55,600, and then 55,735, then 55,950. ठीक है, but this is somewhat bleak, but OA क्या कर रहा है, that also we'll check it out. That we can, from there we can look out कि where they are looking to take the index. Open interest, Nifty PCR is at 1.16, so 25,300 and 25,500, then 26,000 पे है, and 25,300 ब्रीच करता है तो 25,200, so डाउन साइड थोड़ा लो है, बट पुट राइटर्स अच्छे खासे हैं। So these are the level for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Today we are not discussing about the Sensex or this. Today I have taken 2 stocks which is there in my radar. So let us discuss about that 2 stocks. मतलब क्या, what can we see, and if it is a good, then where is the entry level? ठीक है, so before going ahead, these are the 2 stocks which we penny stocks which we have taken. So that Excel, let us open that Excel. That would be Sensex के levels भी देख लेने हैं। Fine, let us take out the Sensex levels till that Excel sheet is getting opened. See, Nifty और Sensex almost same इस पे है, यहाँ पे सिर्फ numbers थोड़े change हो रहे हैं। This is my resistance, this is, I should not open below this blue. If I'm opening below this blue, I can move on till 82,425. And if that breaks, I have a small support over here, then the support is here 82,156, and this, yeah, 2x 2px. ठीक है, अपसाइड के लिए let us mark अपसाइड इतना नहीं है सेंसेक्स में। अपसाइड आई एम लुकिंग आउट ओनली फॉर फर्स्ट 2 levels. चलो, लेट अस ब्रीफ इट आउट वेरी फास्टली. 82,757 is my resistance. If I break that resistance, 82,907 and 83,033. 83,000 के ऊपर फिलहाल मोमेंटम नहीं होना चाहिए। अगर हो भी रहा है तो कंटिन्यूशन में आपका ट्रेल होना चाहिए. यू शुड बी ट्रेलिंग द ट्रेड. You should not take up new trades at 83,033 levels. Fine. And if I open up below this blue line, that is 82,550 levels, I can look out for 82,425, and then if that gets breached, 82,600 82,300 levels and 82,156 levels. Not more than at 82,300 is the last which I'm looking out for tomorrow, not more than that, but you should be ready. If it is falling down, it should be in a continuation. Okay, so this is that. Sensex levels is also marked, Bank Nifty and Nifty is marked. And let us open up the Excel which we have. Did we enter? Yeah. LLFICL we entered at 5.6. And currently it is trading at 5.97. Infibeam we entered at 16 rupees and Infibeam is currently at 16.55. Okay. Since it is a penny stock, आपका brokerage delivery पे brokerage ऐसे कुछ इसमें है, तो you should add that brokerage amount also to the cost. ठीक है. So LLFICL, and this, it is a good momentum we have caught, and entry is also good. ठीक है. So penny stock SL 0 है. Infibeam थोड़ा breakout level है. If we have a breakout, we can get a good momentum till at least 19 rupees. ठीक है. So these are our penny stocks. Fedfina, we are below cost. 150 is our entry level. We are below cost. Dixon, we are nearing our target of 19,000, right? Dixon का target we are nearing. किधर है Dixon? Yes, 19,052 is our target. Oro Pharma, we are above cost. Reliance, cost पे आ गया. 1414 is the entry. TCS 72 rupees above our cost. Motherson Sumi, we are above the cost. That is a good sign. IGIL 449 is the target, and we have, let us check it out. Yes. See, now we have to trade 350, that is cost should be our 332 is stop loss. Okay, that would be better, right? And if we see a big red candle, then obviously you have to take at least few points and come out. But I'm not well, I'm very positive on this one, even though the fundamentals are not supporting that much, but technically थोड़ा entry level अच्छी आ गई अपने को, then we can hold the trade since we are in profits, right? Asian Paints, Asian Paint is at near our cost, not at cost. Sagility एक रुपया थोड़ा बढ़ गया है. BDL good, 30 points का up momentum मिला है. HAL 4535 is our entry, and we are very much ahead, right? HL वैसे ही होता है. So HL target आ गया क्या? 4955 is the target. I think so. Second entry वाला जो HL है ना, उसका target we have achieved it, 1:2. So that is automatically booked. HCL Tech still at cost, 1481. We have entered at 1480. Okay, so new one which is in radar is currently Trent, right? Trent, we have moved above 5 EMA on a daily chart. That is a good sign. Weekly we are not so in a bad position to take an entry, but EMAs are all down. That is 5 EMA भी नीचे है. मतलब the price is currently below 5 EMA, 20 EMA and 50 EMA, right? Today let us see RSI का indicator, what we can look out for in RSI, right? So RSI is currently in a midway नहीं बोल सकता हूँ, थोड़ा नीचे है, मिड से थोड़ा नीचे है, राइट? सो थोड़ा रिट्रेस मतलब थोड़ा नीचे आने का और चांसेस है, बट इन द प्राइस आई एम नॉट लुकिंग आउट टू in the trend to go below at least this 47.73. So you can take a small position in trend. Equity, I'm not talking about options. Options में आपको you need a speed momentum, तो अच्छा डिमांड जोन रहता है ना, वहाँ पे ही ऑप्शंस we look out for. But in this I'm not looking out for an options entry in trend. I'm purely talking about equity entry. ठीक है? So equity, this is the entry level, and थोड़ा रिट्रेसमेंट आएगा तभी एंट्री लेवल लेंगे, अदरवाइज इफ इट ब्रेक्स 55,077 then we can look out for. but ट्रेंड में स्मॉल पोजिशंस तो यहाँ पे बनता है. we will take at how much position, 30% का पोजिशन ले लेते हैं, right? tomorrow we will look out for trend 30% positions. We will be adding it to this. ठीक है? And the other one in radar is कौन सा आया था? I'm sorry, मतलब इतना सारा चार्ट्स थोड़ा देखे ना, तो जियो फाइनेंशियल्स तो नहीं है, बिकॉज जियो फाइनेंशियल्स आई एम ऑलमोस्ट वही पोजीशंस पे है, जियो फाइनेंशियल्स नहीं है. RSI निकाल देते हैं बिकॉज RSI की जरूरत नहीं है. Not Geo Financials. I'm sorry, I forgot the other name, but let us take a quick look on IGL. एक क्विक लुक लेते हैं. IGL नहीं, नो IGL भी नहीं है. ECF, no. I'm sorry, trend is the one which we are looking at. 30% is the thing which we are going to take an entry. Trend, other than that और कुछ तो नहीं है. So let us keep it for only trend tomorrow entry. I'm talking about equity, I'm not talking about anything else. So trend is that, and one script which was for a very long term, I think so we took 2 years back. एक मल्टी बैगर 2 years back we were discussing. उसका भी वीडियो है, मतलब there is a video of that multi bagger also. Just a minute, स्क्रीनर पे चेक करते हैं. Tomorrow I will be keeping that in handy. That would be a good one, right? So today we have discussed about Nifty, Bank Nifty, Sensex, right? Tomorrow Sensex expiry hai, so trade carefully, take a good positions according to your risk level, and then trade safely. Have a great day tomorrow. Have a profitable day. Take care. See you soon.